Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to pair this headphone to your phone, so guys you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So guys, now let's start the video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on your more connection settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys, click on Bluetooth and guys on your headphones first of all. Then guys, click on Bluetooth. So the device is ready to pair. Then we will refresh it. It's not working, so guys off your Bluetooth and guys again on your Bluetooth. Then guys, you can see your Bluetooth headphone name. So guys, click on headphone name. Guys, you can see it's pairing. Then guys, you can see this pair notification. So guys, tap here. Then it will pair to your Tecno phone. Guys, then guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth headphone to a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.